This video is aimed at professional service technicians and users proficient with mechanical and electrical repairs. Thoroughly test after any repair work. Hi, in this video, we will demonstrate how to restore the air couplers of your AirBuddy if they haven't been thoroughly rinsed in fresh water after diving. Buildup of salt, limescale, or oxidation can clog the internal mechanism and prevent it from proper operation. Take off the coupler from AirBuddy and use a hook tool or small screwdriver to remove the stop ring. Pull off the coupler sleeve and you'll see the internal mechanism consisting of two pins, spacer, and a spring mounted on the coupler body. Release tension of the spring to slide the two pins out and remove the spacer and the spring from the body. Now it's time to clean all parts in a solution of coffee machine descaler. Follow the instructions on the label to mix it in the right ratio with water. Take all coupler parts and bathe them in the descaler for about 20 to 25 minutes. If you happen to have an ultrasonic cleaner, you can accelerate the process and achieve a better result. Put everything inside and set your timer to about 20 minutes. If there's any buildup remaining, use a small brush to agitate it and remove completely. Place all the parts in fresh water for about 10 minutes to dissolve any residues of the descaler. Then remove the parts and dry them. Before reassembly, we suggest to lightly lubricate the coupler parts with a small amount of silicone, food-grade grease. Just on the moving parts of the mechanism, make sure that you don't get any grease in the airways. So, apply a thin layer on the outer surface of the coupler body, inside the sleeve, on the spring, and the two pins. Now you're ready to reassemble the coupler. Make sure that you reassemble all the parts in exactly the same order as they were initially. That means take the main body, insert the spring, then the spacer, compress the spring, and insert one pin in the notch on each side. Put the coupler sleeve on top and fix in place with the stop ring. Make sure that it clicks into place. Test the coupler to make sure that it works properly.